If you're experiencing issues with Baldur's Gate 3 multiplayer not working, follow these steps to troubleshoot and improve your gaming experience. This guide will help you identify and resolve common problems. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. You can test your connection speed using an online speed test tool. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router or switching to a wired connection. Step 2. Update game and platform. Make sure that both Baldur's Gate 3 and the platform you are using, Steam, GOG, etc., are fully updated. Developers frequently release patches that fix bugs and improve multiplayer functionality. Check for updates and install them if available. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on Steam or another platform, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This process checks for any corrupted or missing files and replaces them, which can resolve many issues. Step 4. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes, firewalls or antivirus software can block the game from connecting to the internet. Check your firewall settings and ensure that Baldur's Gate 3 is allowed through. You may need to add it as an exception in your antivirus software as well. Step 5. Restart game and system. If all else fails, try restarting both the game and your computer. This can clear temporary glitches that might be affecting multiplayer connectivity. After restarting, launch the game again and see if the issue persists. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most issues related to multiplayer connectivity in Baldur's Gate 3. Enjoy your gaming experience.